people understand my intention.
Hey, good morning, Riverview Royals. This is Mr. B and my son Taz, who's 6 years old. And we are going to do this week's edition of Weird Science Wednesdays at our house because science is everywhere. And where better than to do it at home and with your family. So I hope you're able to do some of these experiments as well at your house. But today we're going to discuss the topic of density. Density is actually the heaviness of a liquid. And so we are going to demonstrate that by using something that we have in most of our pantries at home, and that's vegetable oil, and then we have water. Our water today is colored with food coloring, just so you can tell the difference. But before we start any experiment, what should we always do?
Put on our safety glasses.
Right, be safe and put on our safety glasses. So I'm gonna put on my safety glasses. Now the next situation that we have is how to test density of vegetable oil and the density of water. So then we have to pour the vegetable oil. You wanna pour? Sure. Pour the vegetable oil into this glass. Sure, glass right there. The vegetable oil into a cup. You see how it's bubbling? See how thick it looks? Doesn't that make you think that it's heavy, right? Maybe heavier than water. And then we have our blue water here. But now here's the conundrum. How do we get this water on top of this cup without spilling it everywhere? Because in order for us to test the density, we're going to have to put these things together to see which is more or less dense. This simple piece of cardboard is going to do the wonder. So let's check this out. See, this is how you can transfer water. You put the cardboard on top of the cup, right? Seems simple. Put your pressure, let's move this out of the way for a second. Put your pressure on the cup, and then we are going to turn the cup upside down.
It's leaking. It's leaking.
Oh, it is leaking a little bit. But if we do that, the air pressure from up here at the top of the cup should hold this cup paper.
It won't. Dad, it won't.
You don't think so?
No.
Oh, look at the magic there. Oh, that's magical. Nope, don't touch it, but it's not magic. It's science, really. All right, we are going to place our water on top of our oil. And I'm going to very slowly, very carefully remove this paper. Let's see if we can do it. Ooh, I know, it's so...
Wait, what happens if it falls inside?
Oh, look what's happening. Look at that. See that already? See those drops? Look at that, it's like a lava lamp. You see that? Look. What's happening?
It's turning into drops.
I know. What happens if I remove just a little bit more cardboard?
And it gets bigger.
Look at that.
How
right?
Wait, they can't see it.
They can't see it? You don't think so? Here, let's watch this. Watch what happens now. Now kids, make sure if you do this at home, you do it with parents because it is kind of messy and food coloring does stain. Look at that.
Let go.
Look what happened. All the water that was at the top of the cup moved to the bottom, and then all the oil moved to the top. Isn't that amazing stuff? This proves, I know, right? This proves that the water is more dense than the oil, and the oil, although it looks heavier, is less dense than water. Things aren't always what they seem. They aren't always as thick and as strong as they seem to be. But it also proves that sometimes things just don't mix. Sometimes being around people that you just don't get along with isn't the best choice. Sometimes it's okay just to go your own way. Just like the oil, just like the water. That's science.
See you next time on
Weird Science Wednesdays.
Weird Science Wednesdays.